What's up guys, Meredith with Extreme Terrain, and today we are checking out the Oracle Flush Mount LED taillights with the black housing and the tinted lens, fitting all 2007 through 2018 JK Wranglers. Now this set of taillights will be tailored to the JK owner who is in search of that stealthy and unique appearance that stands apart from the traditional taillight while simultaneously adding more modern styling and function that's going to bump up your lighting performance. Now, these will also be super low profile, so if you're frequently taking your JK off-road and want to minimize any potential trail damage, these are going to fit the build. Now the main takeaway of this set is the super low profile and flush design. As you can see, this is super thin here. That's gonna stay out of the way of whatever obstacles that you're coming in contact with on the trail, adding some extra maneuverability behind the JK and just really adding to the custom look at the back end of the Jeep. Now the outside of this taillight here is going to have a red C-shaped LED light bar underneath this tinted lens. It's going to illuminate red, and on the inside, each light will also feature high-powered LED reverse lights, offering brighter and cleaner lighting behind you. Now that is also going to make you a lot more noticeable while driving and increase your visibility when you're backing up because of the full LED setup, ultimately making you safer while driving your JK. These will have a solid plastic housing with an OE textured finish around the border and a durable smoke tinted lens protecting the lighting underneath. Now that lens will also be hard coated and UV treated, making it resistant to weathering or fading to keep its new appearance for years to come. This kit will also be completely plug and play. If I flip the taillight around, you'll see that this does have a factory style harness, making it super easy to install, and it also does come with a resistor on the back to eliminate any hyper flashing with the low draw LED. This set will come in at roughly $425, putting these at more of a premium price point compared to other choices in the category. Now what I will say is that there are not many options that are going to be flush like this and have a custom design while also being built well with quality components and remaining plug and play, while other flush designs may require some modification or wiring in the kit. Now I think if you want your JK to stand out from the rest when it comes to the lighting on your Jeep, and you also want to eliminate any trail damage while you're taking your JK off-road, this kit is going to be for you. Install, again, will be simple. A 1 out of 3 wrenches on the difficulty meter, taking you about an hour to get the job done with some pretty basic hand tools, but honestly, I wouldn't be surprised if we got it done sooner. Now, speaking of the install, one of our customers here has put these on their JK and is going to walk you through what that process looks like step by step, so that is going to wrap it up for me. Let's go ahead and get into it.
Okay guys, 2013 Jeep JK Wrangler. We're going to install some new Oracle headlights from Oracle Lighting. Here they are on the table. What you'll need is the really good instructions that are included and a Phillips screwdriver. To uninstall, we're going to go ahead and do the 2 inside screws and unscrew them. Next, we're going to go ahead and very gently pop this out of the housing. You can see our clip here that connects to the factory light assembly. Go ahead and push that in and pull, and that should release. We'll grab our new headlight. Go ahead and plug into the factory housing. Like so. We have our resistor clip. There should be a portion of the frame in there that will clip into. And just make sure it's secure. Next, we'll start putting all of this back inside and tucked away. And for this part, you want to be very close and catch the inside lip on the inside of the Jeep here. It'll pop just like that. Line up the 2 screw holes and put the 2 screws back in place. Snug up your screws and you're all set. All right, once that's in place, we're gonna go do the exact same thing on the other side.
So that's going to wrap it up for my review and the install of the Oracle flush mount LED taillights with the black housing and the tinted lens, fitting all 2007 through 2018 JK Wranglers, and you can find these right here at extremeterrain.com.